And in this one, as all the options uh, are under the consideration that x is greater than 0, we'll proceed with that consideration. So that gives us that Sn x equals to 1 to n. As x is greater than 0, the argument of cot inverse is greater than 0. In that case, cot inverse would be the reciprocal, or rather it would be the same as tan inverse of x on 1 plus x square, as x is greater than 0. So we can write cot inverse a as tan inverse 1 by a. Now we write this as k plus 1 times x minus kx upon, so this is tan inverse of tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So this is tan inverse of tan a plus b. This is a plus b. So what I'm saying is, say tan a equals to k plus 1 times x and tan b kx. Then this thing becomes tan inverse of tan a minus tan b on 1 plus tan a tan b, which is tan inverse of tan a minus b, which simply is a minus b, because tan a is greater than tan b and all this argument is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. So we have this. So this becomes a minus b, and a was tan inverse k plus 1x. Tan b was b was tan inverse kx. So this becomes k equals to 1 to n tan inverse of k plus 1x tan inverse of kx. So this becomes tan inverse n plus 1x tan inverse x, which becomes tan inverse of nx upon 1 plus 1x. So we have Snx. So now moving on to the options. S10 is tan inverse 10x upon 1 plus 11x square, which is pi by 2 minus 1 plus 11x square upon 10. So A option is correct. Then for B option, limit n tends to infinity, Snx would be tan inverse, we write this as cot inverse of 1 plus x square upon nx, which becomes cot inverse x. So now limit n tends to infinity, this will go away and this will become n plus 1 upon n will become 1. So 1 times x is x. So cot inverse x. So B option is correct. This is limit n tends to infinity, cot inverse 1 by nx plus n plus 1 by nx. So as n tends to infinity, this will become 0. This thing will become 1 and 1 times x will become x. So cot inverse x. So B option is correct. Then we have S3x. S3x is tan inverse 3x upon 1 plus 4x square. We want this to be pi by 4, which means 3x upon 1 plus 4x square equals to 1. So quickly we will see if this has a root. This is 4x square minus 3x plus 1 plus 0. So the determinant of this one is, or discriminant, whatever the d is, so this is b square minus 4ac, which is less than 0, so there is no real root for this one. So C option is incorrect. Then tan Snx is tan of this, which is nx upon 1 plus n plus 1x square. Is this less than half for all n greater than equals to 1 and x less than 0? So we'll do x equals to 1. This becomes n upon n plus 2. And here n, say let's put n equals to 10, we get this as 5 by 6, which is greater than half. So we got a pair of x and n such that tan Snx is greater than half. So D option is incorrect. So answer is C and B.